She used to text back fast. She used to laugh at your jokes. But now, silence. If you've ever felt ignored by a woman, it's not always the end. But most men react the wrong way and push her even further away. Today, we'll break down 5 critical mistakes men make when she ignores you, and how to flip the script so she starts chasing you instead. Mistake 1. Chasing harder when she pulls away. When a woman starts to pull away, most men instinctively chase harder. They flood her phone with messages, ask if she's upset or try to make it right. But what they don't realize is that this behavior kills attraction. It signals insecurity, desperation, and a fear of loss. Emotions that no woman wants to feel from a man she might be testing. Chasing makes her feel suffocated, not desired. Instead of seeing you as strong and grounded, she'll see you as dependent and fragile. And in her mind, she's already making a decision not to come closer, but to pull away further. The solution is counterintuitive but powerful. Step back, give her space, focus on your own life, and resist the urge to reach out. When you stop chasing, you trigger something called the curiosity gap. She'll start to wonder, why isn't he reacting like every other guy? This mystery makes you more attractive. Use this time to work on yourself. Hit the gym, connect with friends, dive into your hobbies. Show her through your actions, not words, that you're a man with purpose, not a man who panics when she distances herself. When she feels the absence of your energy, that's when the door reopens, and this time on your terms. Mistake 2. Getting angry or passive-aggressive. When a woman ignores you, it's easy to feel hurt or frustrated, and many men respond by becoming cold, sarcastic, or even trying to guilt-trip her into paying attention. But here's the truth. This reaction only pushes her further away. It tells her you're emotionally unstable, which is a major turn-off. Women aren't drawn to men who can't handle their emotions. They're drawn to those who remain calm and composed, no matter what. Getting upset shows weakness, not strength. The better approach is to acknowledge the distance without bitterness. Instead of reacting with, "Why aren't you answering?" or "I guess you're too busy for me," try something like, "I see you're busy. Let's catch up when it's a good time." This simple shift shows you're secure, mature, and non-needy. It tells her you're a man who doesn't crumble under pressure. Over time, this calm response makes her reconsider. She'll see you as a man who values himself and respects others. That's powerful. Mistake 3. Overanalyzing and creating drama. When she ignores you, your mind starts racing. Did I say something wrong? Is she seeing someone else? Should I text again? This endless overthinking creates mental drama, and when you let this anxiety drive your actions, you damage your own confidence. You might send desperate messages, stalk her social media, or even lash out, but this only deepens the gap. She'll sense your anxious energy and retreat even more. Here's how to stop the spiral. Shift your focus inward. The moment you notice yourself overanalyzing, stop and ask, what can I control right now? Then take action. Go to the gym, work on your goals, call a friend, create positive momentum in your own life, which not only distracts you but builds the confidence she finds attractive. When she notices you thriving instead of obsessing, her curiosity will naturally pull her back toward you. Mistake 4. Trying to buy her attention with gifts or declarations. Many men, feeling ignored, try to win her back with grand gestures, sending flowers, expensive gifts, or long romantic texts. But this doesn't attract her. It makes her feel pressured and uncomfortable. It also shifts the dynamic, making you look like you're trying to compensate for something. Attraction isn't earned through material things, it's earned through self-respect and authenticity. Instead of showering her with gifts, show her you're worth her attention by being confident and scarce. Use this time to improve yourself. Let her see you're a man who's already complete and thriving. When she senses you're not dependent on her attention, she'll start to wonder what she's missing. And if she comes back, It's because she's drawn to your energy, not what you can buy her. Mistake 5. Making yourself too available. Being too available, replying instantly, always waiting on her, cancelling your plans to fit hers, sends a message that you have no boundaries and no life. Women are attracted to men who have purpose and presence. When you're too available, she loses respect and attraction, seeing you as someone who's dependent on her approval. The key is to set boundaries and prioritize yourself. Next time she texts late or after ignoring you, don't rush to reply. Take your time. Stay engaged in your own activities, work, hobbies, friends. When you show her you're living a full, confident life without waiting for her, she'll feel the pull. Women want to be part of something exciting, not something desperate. Become the man she's chasing, not the man chasing her. Outro. If you're tired of feeling confused or ignored by women, it's time to stop making these mistakes. Each one of these errors, from chasing too hard to getting angry to over-analyzing, chips away at your confidence and pushes her further away. But when you learn to stay calm, composed, and focused on your own power, you become the man she can't ignore. So take control today. Avoid these mistakes, level up your mindset, and watch how the game changes. Tell us in the comments, which of these mistakes have you made in the past? Be honest, share your story, it helps others learn too. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Because when you stop chasing and start leading, you become unstoppable with women.